Mandy.com is a platform that connects freelancers with production companies in the film and television industry. It was founded in 1997 and has since become one of the largest online marketplaces for film and TV industry professionals. Types of jobs available. Mandy.com offers a wide range of job opportunities, including crew positions, for example, camera operators, sound engineers, lighting technicians, acting roles, for example, extras, background actors, lead actors, equipment rentals, for example, cameras, lighting equipment, sound gear, production services, for example, location scouts, production assistants. How to get started. To start making money on Mandy.com, follow these steps. 1. Create an account. Sign up for a free account on Mandy.com. 2. Fill out your profile. Complete your profile with your skills, experience, and availability. 3. Search for jobs. Browse the job listings on Mandy.com and apply for positions that match your skills and experience. 4. Apply for jobs. Submit your application, including your resume, cover letter, and any required materials such as headshots or demo reels. 5. Follow up. After applying, follow up with the production company to express your interest in the job. Tips for success. Be professional. Make sure your profile and application materials are professional and well written. Be proactive. Don't wait for jobs to come to you. Actively search for opportunities and apply promptly. Network. Connect with other professionals in the industry on Mandy.com and other platforms. Stay organized. Keep track of your applications and deadlines using tools like calendars or spreadsheets. Potential earnings. The amount of money you can earn on Mandy.com varies widely depending on the job you apply for and your level of experience. Some jobs may pay only a few $100s per day, while others may pay tens of thousands of dollars per week. Competition. Keep in mind that Mandy.com is a competitive platform and there may be many other freelancers applying for the same job. To increase your chances of success, make sure your profile and application materials are strong and tailored to the specific job you're applying for.